बाद है आपने सोमनाथ भोजन और साथ ही साथ नाथ ऋषि की कृपा कैसे प्राप्ति हुई इसके बारे में भी आपने बहुत सुंदर।
So it's really great to know that you have just told about the story. So it's very nice. Whatever you told, it was very nice. Actually, one speaker told about Bhagwan's Katha. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying in this way. क्या हुआ? आपको खोलना नहीं आया उसको? खोलना नहीं आया? You don't know anything how to open. प्रभु को कुछ भी काम दो तो ही
और अंत में कैसे अनासक्त होकर के मन सब विषय छोड़ आदि करके कैसे धीरे धीरे भक्ति में प्रवेश करे, यही हमारे साथ है। लीला कथा सुनने की व श्रवण करने की यही विशेष पर्व है।
So what is the speciality or what is the importance to hearing Hari Katha? So how we can attain that kinds of love, that kinds of bhakti? So gradually we will be detached from the Gyan Vairagya, by the Gyan Vairagya, and how we can enter into the Bhakti Rajya. Nothing else. This is the only cause how we are hearing Hari Katha. So that's why whatever you told, the Katha of Nal, Kuber and Manigriv, it was very nice. So he was the son of Dhan Kuber. He was so much intoxicated in the so much possessions, and they were destroying and they were neglecting the Sant Mahatma. So it was in the Bhagavatam also explain, if somebody get this kinds of four mud in this kinds of four in his hearts, just like which is called, what are four qualities that? Naam, Roop, Janma, the birth, Aishwarya, scholarship like Vidya Panditya. So if there are four kinds of qualities, somebody gets this kinds of these qualities, so he will neglect everybody. Hindi translation is available just few minutes. Baba Prabhu is very late, he is going to do. Just started, you can check Didi Haribol, you can check. Hindi translation is, Hindi broadcast is also available. So somebody who has taken birth in the Braj, so they doesn't have any qualities of Brajvasi, but still they are saying, boasting themselves, oh, I am Brajvasi, and they are drinking liquor. They are eating, they are drinking liquor and they are taking meat, so and saying themselves that Brajvasi. So many people I have seen here, so I am not criticizing anybody, but I have seen. So they used to ask the money from the general people. They used to say that, oh, give the money to the Brajvasi because Bhagwan used to eat from the mouth of Brajvasi. So if you give us money or give us food, so Bhagwan will take from us. So what's my meaning to say here? If somebody has taken birth in the higher family, so they are so much intoxicated in that, so I have got the birth in this kinds of family, and in somebody has many kinds of so much money, possessions, so what they used to do? They used to misused it. Because money is the kind of thing, so why that you get so much ahankar, ego? Get it?
पृथ्वी के जैसे जैसे अमला के वहां की क्या था, मैंने क्या हो गया, क्या चली क्या हो
So somebody who is so much intoxicated in the money, so they think that they can control to everybody by money. It is not possible. It is not good. if somebody has good form, like, so they used to say that I am so much beautiful or handsome, and other one is not so much beautiful or handsome. So further we will hear other katha that by the curse of Ashtavakra Rishi, so there was a lady, the person who were assembled in the court of Ashtavakra and Maharaj Janak Savana. So they were criticizing Ashtavakra. So Ashtavakra, so he explained the Shastra's knowledge. So it was amazing, katha that was. And the fourth one is, if somebody has so much good qualifications, so they get so much ahankar, they, oh, I am so much learned people. If somebody has little bit knowledge about Sanskrit and all, so they think, oh, no one is equal to me. I am the highest topper speaker. I can defeat everybody. He was so much a scholar in Sanskrit. He used to speak in Sanskrit so nicely. So the big Pandit of the Matharas, so there was one Brahman in Mathura, Vasudev Chaturvedi. They are so much scholars in Mathura. So they have so much titles. So these kinds of people, he used to praise that person. Oh Maharaj, the brahmachari of your Gauriya Math is so much, he knows so much slokas of the Shastras. So I have seen him. Sometimes they used to take bath, sometimes not. So all day and night they were just studying. His name was Parishanand. And our brahmachari used to. So his name was Parishanand, and our brahmachari used to tell him Pada Suna Anand, reading, writing Anand. So he always read and study in the Sanskrit. He always engaged himself in the reading Sanskrit. So big Pandits, they used to praise him. Even so he has so much knowledge about the scriptures. He was so much a scholar in the Sanskrit. Then he used to say, oh, Gurudev doesn't know Sanskrit. He missed the lectures of Gurudev. His pronunciation of his English is not good. Gurudev is not reciting the shlokas. And I used to recite very nice shlokas. He used to say like this. So he was committing so much aparadh. So at last what happened? He left everything. So now in which hell he is, nobody knows. So sometimes if you have little bit more knowledge, so the people used to neglect the Sant Mahatma, that how he doesn't know anything. I am performing so much sadhan bhajan. So we also praise these kinds of person, that he is so much a scholar, he is so much learned in English and Sanskrit. Sometimes I used to give him I was enthusiasming, I was giving him motivation. It's true. Somebody's mind is good, so we have to give him motivation. He forgot himself. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he is giving an example. There was one lady frog was staying in the pond, and she has given birth so many children. So that lady frog, she thought that I am the topmost animal on this earth. So all the children of her was believing the same. So one day her little child, so he came out from the bell. So because there was so much water of the rain, so that's why he came out from the bell. And what he saw, there was a big elephants are going, and he was afraid to see the hathi elephants. So that lady, so he said to her mother, "Mom, I just saw a big elephant here." So mother said, "She is taller than me." So that frog child said, "Oh, she is bigger than you, more than you." So the mother said, "No, no, no, it cannot be possible." So her mother was pumping her body. So she was pumping her body. She was so much, and she was becoming herself so fat. So just like a balloon, we are giving air into the balloon. In the same way, she was pumping her body, and at last she died. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. So in the same way, somebody who has this kinds of ego that I am so much learned people, so they always
अच्छी बात है, सुनो, हैं? ये नॉर्थ और मणिग्रीव के
So the example you have given, the Nalkover or Manigriv, so if somebody have this kinds of 4 qualities like you are one and born in the higher family, and so they cannot perform the bhajan so nicely. Padhiya Suniya Loke Gero Chale Gali, like in the Chaitanya Bhagavad, this is Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Padhiya Suniya Loke Gero Chale Gali. Kirtan, you open, na? So if somebody get this kinds of 4 qualities, so he cannot perform the Krishna Bhakti. But if he is using these 4 qualities in the Bhagavad Bhakti, then he can perform Bhakti. So if you have some knowledge, some extra curriculum activities, so you can engage that into the service of Bhagwan. So if you have the knowledge of the scriptures, then preach the holy name all over the world. So just destroy the Mayavad, go into the big Pandit Sabha assembly and use the shlokas. So this is good. So Nalkover and Manigriv, so this is the lesson we should get from here. So how he neglected like a Mahabhagavat Narad Rishi, and Narad Rishi was how he came, what was the reason to entrance of Narad Rishi? Wow, very good. So the person who was getting the Bhagwan in his heart, Sant Mahatma, who is traveling everywhere, what is the reason behind it? Because they would like to liberate the jivas, for the welfare of the jivas. And where are the increments of the papi, the sinful person, increasing, so they will destroy that places. Pavitra karte hain, they make the pious of that places. And this is the reason of Narishis for descending and coming there and to Nalkobe. So he wanted to punish the rascal people, that's why he came here. So Narad Rishi giving punishment to him. So the person who are Uddan, so if you are giving punishment to them, it's good. That's why Narad Rishi, he given the punishment to them. He cursed him, Murk, you didn't pay the respect to Sant Mahatma. Go, become, be a tree in your next birth. So they became the tree. Then you will realize, being a tree, how much suffering is there, then you will realize. Especially where there are so much rainy, snow falling. So the trees of their places are so much suffering.
ठंडी हो तो हम हीटर जलाते हैं।
If there is so much hot, we used to put on AC. If there is so much warm, then we use cool. Then we used to switch on cooler. You know, like
इंडिया में कभी जंगल में जा
Heater.
दबाना शुरू है। आप आज देख लीजिए लपेट आपके बाली पर आधा शरीर उसके जल रही है बेटा।
किसका?
है?
Oh, why are you not hearing?
सभी में कष्ट भोगना पड़ता है।
So everybody has to suffer in this world.
तो इसलिए उन्होंने
So in this
हिसाब
way,
किया,
Narashi cursed him, go,
वृक्ष जनित करते हैं।
be a tree, be a tree.
तब उन्होंने किया कि
Then what he
देखो
did?
संतों महात्मा के उपदेश देना, साथ ही साथ उनके हृदय में भी
If Sant Mahatma is cursing someone, so it is also beneficial. So that's why further Nal, Kuber and Rishi, they became the tree, and you know, they became the tree, and they were apologizing for apologizing to Narad Muni. So Narad Muni said, in the Dapar Yuga, Krishna Chandra will be appeared in this land, and he will mercy upon you. That's why by the mercy of Nal Kuber, by the mercy of Nararishi, Nal Kuber got the birth in the Nararishi's courtyard, Yamla Arjun Braksh. They got the birth in the form of Arjun Braksh. Sant Hirday Navneet Samara. So Sant person's heart is like a butter. Like a butter. Sant Hirday Navneet. And some commentator are also saying the Navneet means butter. So just like butter is melted by the heat of your hand, but Sant Mahatma, their heart is melted by the seeing of suffering of the worldly peoples. So that's why Nal Kuber got the birth in the form of Yamla Arjun Braksh in the courtyard of Nand Maharaj in Nandgaon. So this is also the reason for Krishna's descendant on this earth. So the prominent reason I told you, Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manush, Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manush, and Bhaktu. So these both are the prominent reason, and others are the secondary reasons. So Bhagwan himself, all of where he was thinking himself, Narad is my God. So whatever the Narad Rishi has given the benediction or curse to them, so I have to fulfill that. If any devotee is giving benediction to you, so Bhagwan is bound that he has to fulfill that. So the Narad Rishi has given the benediction that you will take the birth in the form of Yamla Arjun in the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj. So that's why by the mercy of Narad Rishi, they got the birth in the form of Yamla Arjun. So एक कार्य करें ना प्रभु करें पांच सात भगवान performing one Leela. So there are many Leela also takes parts, just like the Damodar Leela. So there are so much beautiful lessons are there, and as well as so when Bhagwan is performing Damodar Leela, so Yamla Arjun Leela was also there. So Bhagwan is tied himself, but still, so being he was so much tied, but still he has liberated the Nal Kuber from this tree's yoni. Is it possible? If somebody's, it is possible that if somebody's hand is tied and your hand is tied, so who can open both sides? No one can. How you will open the hand of yours, each other's? So you and your friend both are tied by the ropes, and your hands were tied by the behind side. So you can open,
किंतु भगवान है,
but Bhagwan,
प्रहलाद महाराज जी करे।
but that's why Prahlad Maharaj is saying,
दुराशा दे वैरक्तमान अंधा जगत उपनियमानस्ते विधेति संख्या भूदानि बद्धा है। एक अंध व्यक्ति दूसरे अंध व्यक्ति को जिस प्रकार
so a blind man cannot give the way to the another blind man. In the same way, the both the blind men will go to the potholes.
दुराशा दे वैरक्तमान अंधा जगत उपनियमानस्ते भूदानि बद्धा
Jai Ho.
किंतु आश्चर्य की बात
So there is astonishing things. Bhagwan, he is tied.
और दोनों
He has been tied, but he has liberated Nal Kuber and Nal Kuber and Manikgrave. So that's why Bhagwan is also thinking, because Narishi has given benediction to him, to them, that I will be appeared in the Dwapar Yuga and I have to liberate him. So how can I liberate him?
कोई नाटक रचाते हैं ना,
So when somebody is playing some play, artist, so the director of that play, he has to think so many things,
निर्भर करते हैं
because everything is depend on the director,
और कृष्ण जो है डायरेक्टर है,
and Krishna is director himself.
विचार कर रहे हैं।
So now he is thinking in that leela, in that pastime, that what kind of leela I should do, that they both three will be liberated, everybody gets enjoy, and they both, and Nal Kuber Manikgrave also liberated from it, this earth,
संत महात्मा जो
because
हमें रखने पड़े,
because we have to keep the promise of the Sant Mahatmas.
भगवान ने किया कि
So Bhagwan, what Bhagwan did, he performed the Dambandan Leela and he liberated Nal Kuber and Manikgrave.
ये दामन लीला की देखिए, ये विशेष सूत्र है। और इसमें आपने जो बताया बहुत अच्छी बात बताया।
So whatever you told, it was very nice.
देखो सखा लोग तो पहले खोलने के लिए प्रयास,
So the friends, they tried first for open the rope, but Mother Yashoda, she was the Vatsalya Ras Bhav she has.
शक्कर रस
So the Vatsalya Ras Bandhan,
वो देने के लिए
Vatsalya Ras Bandhan cannot be tied by the Sakya Ras, but Baldev Prabhu can open it.
ये संशय के विषय है।
So there is a doubtful thing.
ये तो कृष्ण ने कहे बलदेव को खोलने नहीं दिया,
But Krishna didn't give the opportunity to open that rope, Baldev Prabhu.
ये बलदेव प्रभु को खोलने के लिए प्रयास,
Baldev Prabhu tried to open, but
किंतु कृष्ण ने कैसे धक्का दिया।
Krishna gave him, hated him. No, you cannot open.
आज इसमें भी दिखा रहे,
This is also showed here.
किंतु खोलेंगे कौन?
So who will open? Mother
दो
Yashoda.
बाकी खोल सकते।
Only two, Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda.
नंद
Who
बाबा
can open? Only Nanda Baba and Yashoda.
राधिका आ जाए,
Even Radhika comes, she can open.
किंतु आदि राधारानी भी प्रकट नहीं दिखा रहे,
Because here Radharani is not appeared in the Leela.
इसलिए ये
So that's why,
अक्सर उसके रस्सी जो बंधन जो है,
so the Vatsalya Ras rope only opened by the Vatsalya Ras.
नंद महाराज
That's why Nanda Maharaj, he came and opened that rope. So this is a beautiful katha.
और भगवान ने ऐसी लीला भी की,
And Bhagwan also performed Leela like,
वो कैसे करते हैं? वो उनके उदू खल, वहाँ दूसरा कन्या वो एक खल है, ये भी एक खल है, उदू खल।
so you are Khal and it is also Khal. Khal means Oakley. I don't know what is in English.
तो माँ जसोदा ने भी कृष्ण के कमर के साथ और उदू खल के साथ बांध दी।
So Mother Yashoda tied the vest of
जो मैं
Krishna with the Ukhal.
सखा लोग उसे खींचते खींचते कहाँ ले गए?
So Sakha were snatching that Ukhal and lead to between the trees. And Krishna crossed that Ukhal,
उदू खल कहाँ रह गए?
and Ukhal tied it, stuck into the tree. So he was walking on his knee, and that Ukhal is stuck between the trees.
बोले वो उदू खल के पीछे भाग जो है वो फंसे हुआ है।
So it's raining in Vrindavan very nicely, very heavy rain is here.
तो गिरा कृष्ण को बिल्कुल नाजिम कैसे होता है? बहुत सुंदर इसमें लीला है।
So these are our very beautiful pastimes. So it's Krishna pulling that Ukhal, and which was stuck in the tree, between the tree. You can take the chair, Didi. Take his chair is there.
कैसे सुंदर लीला वर्णन होते जा रही है।
So here it is also showed there are many beautiful pastimes and lessons also here
ये भगवान हमें कैसे कृपा आदि करते
that how Bhagwan is mercy upon us.
हैं, तो ये समझ लीजिए। और फिर उन्होंने देखी वो दोनों मित्र जिन्हीं से मुक्त होकर के
So when both Nal Kuber and Madigriv liberated from the tree's yoni, then they did the parikrama of Krishna and Krishna got pleased.
मेरे यहाँ जो है सदा सर्वदा वाणी कथा मेरे कथा मेरे वाणी जो है क्या जो है आपकी कथा में सदा सर्वदा
So they asked this kind of benediction that my tongue and body always engage in your katha and kirtan. Mani Guru and Nal Kuber said like this.
अमरीश महाराज जैसे करते हैं ये कुछ
So
ऐसे मिले और ऐसे करके और जाइए फिर को भगवान उसको कहाँ तक भेज दिया है गोरख में जो है मधुकंठ सिंह कंठ
So Bhagwan sent them to in the Golok, Madhukant and Snigdhakant. Madhukant and Snigdhakant. So Srila Jeev Goswami Pad in the Gopal Champu Granth he is writing.
कृष्ण के सुंदर सुंदर मधुर लीलाओं के कथा जो है
There is a raining here. Maybe you cannot see.
लेकिन वही संत महात्मा को जो अनादर
So we shouldn't pay disrespect to the Sant Mahatma. That's why we have to be careful. So after saying 2 words, I will stop my Vani. So I told you about that what was the prominent reason for Krishna's descending on this earth, Anugraya Bhaktanam, for bestowing his mercy upon the Jivas. He descends from Golok Vrindavan Dham and before his devotees. So if somebody hear this kinds of katha and kirtans, so he can reach to, so he can get the topmost bhav.
यद्यपि ये श्लोक रासलीला की अंतिम श्लोक होते जा रहे हैं
So actually this is the last shlok of Ras Leela's Adhyay, Canto, chapters. So by these shlokas it is beautifully described how Bhagwan bestow his mercy upon the jivas, and he descend from the Nitya Golok Dham Vrindavan, and especially which is the Parikya Bhav of the Krishnas with the gopis. So that's why in the Chaitanya Charitamrita Granth, Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is describing Krishna is himself saying, so all these kinds of leelas are not in Vaikunt. So Braj Parkya Leela is not in Vaikunt, Dwarika, Mathura. But so that's why Bhagwan descanted on this earth, and he given the darshan all kinds of leelas to all the people. So after hearing this all kinds of leela, they can be observed in that and liberated from this world. So everybody knows Krishna's Swakyatva Leela with the Ramnis, Dwarikas, but nobody knows about the Krishna's Ras Leela. I asked one question to Srila Gurudev. Hey Gurudev, this is the Ras Leela Katha. So Brajvasi was aware about the Ras Leela of Krishna's at the time of Prakat Leela? In the Srimad Bhagavatam, so which is the topmost Leela is Braj Gopis, the Ras Leela. Jaya Jaya Jwala Ras Sarvar Sara Parikya Bhave Jaha Brajeta Prachar. So this is the topmost Leela of Krishna's. Oh my God, very nice training. So this Ras Leela is topmost. That's it, Sakhya Vatsalya. Everybody knows it, but this Madhurya, this Ras Leela, so this is the very secret Leela. So in the Prakat Leela of Krishna, actually Brajvasi was not aware about that. Some people just assuming that Krishna is doing some Ras Leela. Krishna is doing with the Ras Leela with the gopis. Only few people know of it. Just like Purnamasi Devi. So Roni Devi was not aware about this Ras Leela. Little bit she knows. So because she has a motherhood love, so that's why she was just assuming Krishna is doing the Ras Leela. Anuman Pradhan Nyay. So she was just assuming. Who? So just Jatila Kutila, they are assuming. They never caught Krishna with Radha, each other. They tried so much, they tried so much efforts for catch then Krishna and Radha ji red-handed. In the Javat Leela, I used to tell some Leelas in the Javat. So Vaishnav has told this, tell this something like this. Once what happened in the Javat, what Radha and Krishna did. So Krishna entered into the Kaksh or room of Radharani. So the Jatila Kutila, they said Radha ji is staying alone at the room. So now we are getting the sounds of some man. So maybe Krishna inside there. So what she did? So from the outside, they knocked the door. They locked the door from the outside. So Krishna and Radha inside, and they locked the door from the outside. Now, and they make a noise everywhere, announce everywhere. So all the big persons of the Braj, Purnamasi and everybody came there. So just go and check that Krishna is inside the room with Radha. So now what to do? Radha ji was so much scared. Oh, now Krishna, what is going to happen? Now what to do? Krishna said, don't worry Radha, don't worry. Because whatever Krishna is doing the Leela is according to the Yog Maya. So what Krishna did? So Krishna disappeared from that room because he is Bhagwan. He was performing the Leela according to Yog Maya. So what Krishna did? He disappeared from that room. But after that, what he left his garland. Mala. So Krishna's flute was there left, and the door was opened. So everybody saw Krishna is not there, but Krishna's flute is there. So Yog Maya, Purnamasi, they knew everything. So how to perform Leela. So Jatila. So everybody was asking, where is Krishna? So she said that Krishna's flute is there. So Purnamasi Devi said, so how you can assume that Krishna is here just seeing the flutes? It's not the flute of Krishna's. What is the proof is there? It is Krishna's flute. So listen. Today's night there was so much raining, just like here. In everybody's house there was a rain of flutes. So in your house there is just one flute, but in my house there are so many flutes are there. Just like you have seen, there is a ice cube fall down from the sky sometimes. So in the same way, flutes was raining. There was a rain of flutes that time. So in this way, Yog Maya Purnamasi Devi said, okay, you have just one flute in your house, and I have 77 flutes in my house, because it was raining and it was a rain of flutes. And if you are not believing here, so just go to your room and check how many flutes are there. So what Yog Maya can do anything, because she is Leeladhari. So she is performing every Leela. When she entered so Jatila Kutila, when they entered into her room, so there were 10 flutes in her room. and the same fruits were there.
कृष्ण तुम्हारे घर में
So Krishna came to your room, and Jatila Kula was thinking, oh my God, what happens?
और सभी लोग ने
And
उनको डांट
everybody criticized and scolded him. Oh, Moork, oh foolish, why you are blaming Krishna?
घर की बात ही कही, घर की जो अपना कुछ हो है, लोग दूसरे के बोलते हैं ऊपर में थूको तो थूक कहाँ
So
पड़ेगा?
if you spit on the sky, so it will come on your mouth.
अरे तुम्हारे इतने सती साध्वी
Because you have a chaste bahu, chaste lady in your house, and you are blaming to her.
लंच में लगा दी,
It's very bad. It's very bad. And Krishna came to your room. It's very bad.
तो मिला ही नहीं।
And you didn't find the Krishna in your room, and just seeing the fruit, you are assuming, oh, Krishna was here.
आज से कभी ऐसे
So Jadila Kudila said that from tomorrow onwards, we will not do like this.
हरे कृष्ण काली की लीला है, कितने पुराण में कितने कथा
And then the many Purans, there are many kathas.
वो बोलते जाए ना हमारे पुराण
So if you speak on Puran's katha,
कथा के बोलने के सम्राट थे हमारी भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन
so our Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he used to speak so many Purans katha. We used to hear so many kathas from him. So he used to speak so many kathas of Puran, many kathas we have heard from him. And whenever he used to speak Hari Katha, he started speaking. He never speak any katha, Vachavek, Manavek, any vek. He never speak Hari Katha like this. Sometime I used to say in his katha, our Tirth Maharaj,
अधिक रूप में ब्रज की कथा
he used to speak Braj Katha most of the time.
बहुत कम जो बात में कौन से
Very rare he used to speak Vachavek, Manavek.
दर्शन नहीं तो जरूर
Sometime he will speak Vedant Darshan, or most of the time Braj Darshan. Our Tirth Maharaj, he is speaking about Tirth Maharaj.
तो इसी प्रकार
So in this way, Bhakti Ji.
जो स्वभाव है
So whatever the nature somebody has, so he will speak upon
थोड़ी छोड़ देंगे
he will speak upon that according to his nature.
अंदर समझते भी नहीं। अंदर क्या है तैला तैला
Eh? So there is a coil.
जितने भी आपके गंगा जल में धोकर गिला समझ में आ रही है क्या बोला
Are you getting?
कोयला को जितने
So
गंगा जल
you
में
can wash coil so much, so it will be black.
और कैला को जो है
Koila, the coil.
क्या करना पड़ेगा आप
And if you want to clean that coil, so you have to put that into the fire. So in the same way, you have to enter yourself in the fire of bhakti, so you will get so much cleanness. So Srila Gurudev, Srila Narad Goswami Maharaj, whatever the katha he used to say,
उनकी कथा कहाँ समाप्त हो जाती
so his katha goes to end in the Braj. His katha ends always in Braj katha. Whatever katha he is speaking, where in the foreign country, in India and everywhere, wherever he used to speak Hari Katha, his katha will take up and on Braj Katha. He used to start Prahlad Charit, and his last lecture ended from Uddhav Katha.
देखना जो लोग गुरुदेव के साथ
So the person who are associating with the Gurudev, they went to Braj, wherever they have went, 3 days, 4 days. If he is speaking Hari Katha, so he used to speak Hari Katha from Prahlad and end up from Braj Katha.
के द्वारा बुलवा देते
Sometime he used to speak and give the chance to other people to speak. So I have seen that he used to speak most of the time Brahmar Geet Katha also. Because his swabha, his nature.
वो दका दिया वही तो आता
So whatever you will think, whatever you will eat, so you will take the belch of that.
तो उसी प्रकार
In the same way, so the person who is in that rus, so he will always intoxicate himself in that rus.
हम देखा ऐसे
I have seen many kinds of Sant Mahatma, they are used to speak the Prahlad Katha and this Katha and that Katha. So they used to say, I don't have this kind of the to speak this Ras Leela Katha and all Katha. But Gurudev, if you listen to Hari Katha of Srila Narad Goswami Maharaj, my Gurudev Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, so he will speak the Hari Katha from the general people, just general Katha. But who are Rasik people, so he will speak Katha, the Braj Katha.
बोले बताओ इस श्लोक में बताओ यदि हरि स्मरणे तन्मनम यदि विलास कलास कुतूहलम मधुर कोमलम च पदावलिम श्रीनु तदा जय देव सरस्वती वेरी गुड
So my Gurudev, Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, he used to recite this shlok always. यदा
जे जन भजे
ये
आमी तो सदा राधा पक्षपाती।
ये जन भजे आम्ही तो सदा राधा पक्षपाती।
आमी तो राधिकार पक्षपाती सदा।
आम्ही तो राधा रा पक्षपाती सदा. So this is my Gurudev Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj used to say always. So in this way, this is sure. Now the time is going to be over. So in the Krishna Prakat Leela, Bhauma Prakat Leela, Krishna did the Ras Leela. So who knew? Only Purnamasi, except Braj Gopis, except Shingar Ras Parkiya Braj Gopis. They were not aware completely. In the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, Shri Dam Subal, he showed where the Subal Leela Katha is there. He didn't enter into the Nivrit Nikunj Kunj. When in the Nivrit Nikunj, when Krishna, Radha and other gopis, he was doing the Leelas. So Subal was serving there. He was doing the fanning there, fan. So not from the inside, he was sitting outside and doing the fanning. He was pulling the rope, which is called the hanging fan. We have seen in big office, there was no electricity that time. So the people used to hire someone and he used to pull the rope of the fan. So officers get the air. So people cannot understand these things. It was not electricity that time. So if the commentator saying something, so we have to read the commentary very carefully, because Sakyaras cannot sing, because the Sakyaras can help to Shingaras, but they cannot enter there. So that's the Vatsala Sakya not have the entrance there, especially where Radha, Krishna, this kinds of secret Leela is happening. So the Katha I was telling you, in the Prakat Leela of Krishna, no Brajvasi was aware about this Ras Leela. Maybe many few of them, only 1, 2, just like Purnamasi, Vrinda Devi, another. They knew only. Vyasdev. When this Ras Leela Katha was published, when Krishna was disappeared, when Krishna went to his abode, and after that, Shukdev Goswami Pad, before the Parikshit Maharaj, he told this kinds of Katha, Ras Leela Katha. Shukdev Goswami Pad told this Katha. I asked this question to Srila Gurudev. Gurudev tell, look, in the Prakat Leela of Krishna, many few people know except Purnamasi and Vrinda Devi like. So they knew only, but no Brajvasi was aware about this, that Krishna is doing this kinds of intimate Leela with the gopis. So Brajvasi cannot tolerate all these kinds of things, that with someone's wife, any person having this kinds of relationship, and if his husband got to know, so his husband will beat that lady. So if Krishna does like this, and Gopi's husband aware about that. So the husband of that gopis will beat that gopi, those gopis. So in this way, that was secret. It was a secret. It was hidden. So that's why he was doing all this leela in a hidden way. So when Krishna disappeared from this world, so first time Srila Sukdev Goswami part told to Parikshit Maharaj, and he was describing these kinds of leela katha. And that's why the same katha, hearing this all katha, Parikshit Maharaj, he is giving last instruction to his mother. Hey mother, listen. So you have the sasur bhav, you have the father-in-law bhav in with Krishna. Just leave it. Just have a feelings of you have just kind of Aradhya Bhagwan Vrajeshna Nitad Dham Vrindavanam. Braj Vina Nahi Annat Prachar. So in the Krishna's Prakat Leela, nobody was aware about Ras Leela. That's why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada used to say, Daat se Sakhya Vatsalya. Shringar Ras is so much hidden, secret, mysterious. Because Jeev is so much involved in Kam Krodh, and after hearing all these kinds of katha, so his Kam Krodh will increase. So how far he can think? That's why it is saying in the Srimad Bhagavatam there is requesting, if you want to overcome, if you are suffering from Kam Krodh, still you should listen, but you shouldn't follow that. You can listen the katha, but you cannot follow that. So if somebody doesn't get the somebody is not Shiv and he is drinking the poison like Shiv, so he will die. So in the same way Krishna did the Ras Leela, and we will do the Ras Leela in the same way, so they will die. So there is no provident or do not follow, copy. So whatever the Krishnas did, do not follow that. But whatever the Krishna did, listen that. He is Bhagwan. So some Uttam Bhagwan used to do some Leela, so they can digest. Just like Nityanand Prabhu. Nityanand Prabhu, he was Brahmachari Sannyasi and then Grahastha. And then after being Grahastha, Nityanand Prabhu is Bhagwan, Baldev Prabhu himself, and he is non different from Krishna. That's why it is saying in the Bhagavad, when Parikshit Maharaj was asked these questions, he has given two examples. Yathavanya. Yathavanya means just like fire. Fire can eat everything, but it is always pious. So in the same way, the person who can digest, they can do everything. And if somebody who has not good digestion, they will be die. So fire can eat everything, and it will be pious. The fire cannot be impious. And if you put liquor, meat, everything, so it's still the pious is the fire is pious. So in the same way, the Mahabhagavat and Bhagwan, they are always pious. So the time is over. So nobody can be Brahma. Nobody can be the people who are thinking and that we are Brahma. Jeev cannot be Brahma. You are the part and parcel of Krishna.
पूर्ण में सबके बराबर नहीं।
Ansha, the part and parcel of Krishna's cannot be Krishna. So the people who used to say that I am Brahmasmi, I am Brahma, you cannot be Brahma. You cannot be Brahma.
कृष्ण ही पर ब्रह्म है।
Krishna is the Brahma because he drinking the fire.
तुम यदि अपने को ब्रह्म मानते हो,
If you think yourself that you are Brahma,
थोड़ा गरम काढ़ा पी के
so if you drink a little bit hot kara, so your tongue will be burned.
और भगवान ने क्या किया?
And what Bhagwan did? Bhagwan many times he has drunk the Davanal. He has lifted the Govardhan.
पत्थर को उठाने का
So no one can lift it the 5 kg stone. But Bhagwan lifted the Giraj Govardhan 84 kilometers, 7 days, 7 nights in his left fingers, index finger.
अपने भाई ना छोड़ो अपनी को
Which is
आप बताओ। तो वो परब्रह्म भगवान के साथ जो
Index.
मूर्खता है।
his short finger.
मूर्ख की बात है।
So someone is thinking, oh, we are Brahma, so they are foolish.
ब्रह्मवाद
They cannot be Brahma.
है। तुम ब्रह्म जाति हो।
So you are Brahma Jati, yeah. It doesn't mean that you are Brahma.
आज जीव अंश है।
Jeev is the part and parcel of Bhagwan, but Bhagwan is Purna, complete, most complete.
Not equal the whole।
Huh?
आज एक अंश जो है समुद्र के बराबर नहीं
So
है।
one part of the sea, one drop of the sea cannot be the sea, ocean.
ये समझो देव धर्म दिखाई नहीं देगा।
So everything is mentioned in the Japdan very nicely. That's why Brahmavad is destroying here. That's why Bhagwan.
जीव क्या करेगा? यहाँ तक भी वही कृष्ण भी जितने अवतार आदि जो है,
So there are many incarnations of Krishnas.
वो भी नहीं किया तो दूसरे के
They didn't do. So what to speak about others?
से लेकर के राम
From Vishnu, Ramchandra,
कृष्ण द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण
in the even Dwarkadish Krishna, he didn't do the Ras Leela.
कौन किया?
Oh, who Ras? Only Brajendrandan Shyam Sundar. He did the Ras Leela only. Radha Kanta Namastute. हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगत पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते.
ये तो सर्वोत्तम विधान।
परमेश्वरी प्रभु जी की जाओ.
ये समस्त सुंदर विधान
These all kinds of beautiful leelas.
इस लाभ को श्रवण करें,
If you hear this kinds of leela,
मनन करें, तो आपके
and if you remember this all kinds of leela, so all kinds of काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह will destroy from your heart, and you will get the bhakti. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
तो इसे कृष्ण खोलने नहीं दिया, आगे लीला नहीं होती ना।
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for tolerating me. Are first you should give this right side. Give hello. Didi, thank you so much.